Let's talk about LeetCode 708, insert into a sorted circular linked list. The question gave us a sorted linked list. Let's look at the sorted linked list. It has 1, 3, 4, and go circle back to 1. And also I insert value. In this example, it gave true. And it asks to insert a node into it. And after insertion, it is still a sorted circle linked list. Just for this question, the head can be, and it's not necessary start from the smallest value. It can be any part in the middle of the circle. So we need to talk about the several cases. One is that we iterate the whole circle, find a node. For example, P is smaller than this insert value. And P dot next is greater or equals to this insert value. Then this is the case 1. For example, we insert our value 2. Then we just insert after this P value. Another case is that, for example, now we are going to insert a number 5. After we circle the whole circular linked list, we cannot find this kind of condition. And but the good thing is that we can find the largest node, which is, for example, P is greater than P dot next. Then P will be the largest, and P dot next will be the lowest. So if we insert 5, let's say 5 is greater than 4, that is greater than the largest one. So we just insert this node after the largest one. And also, it's possible that we are trying to insert something like a 0. This is smaller than the P dot next. That means this is smaller than any nodes. Then we can also insert after P. So this is the second cases. The third case is that for this circular link list, all the value in it are same. For example, 1, 1, 1, 1. We iterate the whole cycle. We cannot find the first condition that we find a node which is smaller than, for example, then the insert value. For example, we have an insert value, for example, that will be 4. And also we cannot find a node have the first condition, that is the 4 in the middle of the 2 nodes. And we cannot find the largest nodes. We cannot find the smallest nodes as well. And we iterate the whole cycle from the head. Then we go to the head again. Then cannot find the second condition as well. In this case, we insert our number. Actually, the good thing is that we can insert anywhere in this circle. For example, 0, we can also insert anywhere in the cycle. So that is the same value for whole nodes, every node. So let's try to write the code. Firstly, that we create this node for the insert node equals new node insert value. Let's talk about the corner case. If head equals none, we just have insert node dot next equals insert node and return head. Return insert node. Then we need to have pointer. Let's use a node called P equals head. While let's write P equals head dot next instead. Because we want to see why P doesn't equal to head. P equals P dot next. Otherwise, this while loop will not iterate. So in this while loop, we're trying to find the first case and the second case. So all right, if we have P dot value smaller than insert value and insert value smaller than P dot next value. By right, I have a function for the insert P insert node. This will be our target node. We'll insert a node after this node, and this will be our insert node. So this is the first case. That means we already inserted a node. For example, this is true. Insert between 1 and 3. Then we just return head. The second case, if P dot value is larger than P dot next dot value. And insert value greater than P dot value. Greater equal. Oh, that means this one is greater equal to the largest one, or insert value smaller than P dot next dot value. Same thing. Insert P insert return head. So these are case 1 and case 2. So if we iterate the while loop and we can run to code here, we jump out of the while loop. Means we iterate the whole circular linked list, and we cannot find a position to insert the value. And that also means that every node in the circular linked list, they have the same value. So in this case, we just insert head, insert return head. So okay, let's commit. Okay, so for this question, if there are n nodes in total, the time complexity will be O(n). There is no actual spaces included, so it's O(1) space complexity.